Hey guys, how's everything going? This is Jaser. This is the December of each year, and it tends to be less busy month, so I've got more time to make more videos. Hope you enjoy. In the previous video, I've covered the React internals of use layout effect, right? That's a bit different than use effect, and how to work internally is very interesting. I hope have you watched it, and if not, please search on my channel for that. And in this video, we're going to look at another built-in hook, which is useRef. I believe you've already used this for for many times. Let's just review it briefly. Yeah, we just call useRef, and this value actually will be persistent across different rendering. So the first time it's used, it will be initialized with the default value, and the ref object will be the next time when it's rendered. It will not create a new one, but just fetch the previous one, and it has this current property, and we can modify it to do anything interesting. And one of the biggest usage is to get the reference to the DOM elements, and we can also use it directly without attaching to the DOM. We could use this like a cache, before. If you're using the class components, we already define those instance properties, right? To kind of working like a cache. We could use this ref as well. So how it works internally, let's begin. As always, we create this very basic web app like a demo. This is an input, and we try to get the reference of this input. Let's go into the code. Oh yeah, it's very simple. We use the concurrent mode, and we render this app, and we have a ref in it, initialized to now, and then we attach the input to the ref. This ref should work. If not, we just for debugging purpose, let's log into the window. We can see that ref current is this input, and we can change the value of 3 or something. Yeah, that's it. And okay, let's open the console. Reload it. Open the console. I've already debugged it for some time, so you will see these proper logs, and I will just save us time without just debugging on the fly. That's the most reason my previous videos are a bit long. Okay, the first call actually would be when we call the React useRef, right? I've already you can just set a debugger and find it. I've already find it. It should be somewhere. Useref. Yeah, let's go. Oh, at the same time, we could just review our learnings. Okay, yeah, this is perform concurrent work on root, flush work, blah blah blah, and then no passive effects, and then this is rendering. Render with the hooks. Okay, this is because for the initial mount, we need to calculate the fiber tree from scratch, right? So there would be the app, the functional component will be run, and this is the first time that useRef is called, because this app is called, and then yeah, the useRef is called. So let's go to it. Let me write it down. This is this is rendering phase. With the rendering phase, we have this render with hooks. I can see this. Yeah, render with hooks. And after rendering, we have this commit phase. Let me draw a line. Cool. It should be a bit downward. Okay, render with hooks, and inside it we have this useRef. When this useRef is called, let's put it here. Oh no, this is because it's inside the our functions. Let's just use ref here. Render with hooks, and it will be called. So what happened? Let's go to it, and you see when the first time the useRef is used, it will call the dispatcher useRef, and as we remember, the dispatcher defines two sets of hooks for for the initial mount phase and update phase, because initial now, actually we got this, you can see hooks dispatcher on mount in dev. Okay, is on mount useRef. Let's go to here. So mount useRef. Let's just lock it down. This is MountRef, right? Got the console. Yeah, mount. Let's just call it some mount useRef. And of course, there's another update for non-initial ones. This is update useRef. We'll come back to that later. So when it is rendered, it will call mount useRef. And let's see, and we got this MountRef here. With this MountRef, we create a ref. This is proxy is not there. It's actually this one. I've changed the code to because I want to know when this ref current is changed. So I add this proxy by myself. You shouldn't ignore it. I add this proxy because you can see I've intercepted the SetRef, and every time the current value is changed, I can get a log, console log SetRef. So yeah, this is a nice trick if you want to debug where the code is run. Okay, so this is MountRef, I would say. Okay, this is MountRef directly. So this should be UpdateRef. We'll come back to that later. MountRef will create a new ref, and sealed it. Sealed means we cannot add a new property, but the one current could be modified. And we set the hook. So the hook is mount work in progress hook, and you see, yeah, mount work in progress hook. It will create a new hook. Why? Because you see here, mount work in progress hook. We create a new hook. And the memo state would be the current render fiber. The memo state will be this hook. If not, it will connect it to the hook. So yeah, let us create a new. No, this is fiber. Fiber. Okay, so this is fiber node. This is app, right? App. With the MountRef is called, actually, because this is initial, we would create what is called. It says memo state. Memo state is if it's there, work in progress hook, then it's the next. So it will be chained up. Let's demonstrate it. So memo state would be our create a new hook. This ref hook, I would say. It's chained. Next to hook. Possibly. So mount will actually create this new hook. Create new hook. Attach to hook list of fiber node. Yeah, it's very easy to understand, right? We're running this app, and then we run it. It will call the MountRef and create a new hook. And this new hook actually has this new hook will have this in the MountRef, I would say. Here we create a new hook, and this is the ref, create a ref, and the hook has a memo state of ref. So they have the same name, both memo state. This is memo state is on the fiber. Okay, so it has also a create a new hook and the ref. So this is ref object, and this is attached to this memo state. And this ref object has this current, right? Current. It made nullable, so notable. So it's yeah. Now the code is cleaner, easier to understand. You see, MountRef, create a new hook, create a new cassette to it, and in MountRef we create this ref, right? And we just attach to it. So it's done. So this is the ref is done. In our code, we just create a ref. It's set to now. So yeah, it's now. We create it now, and it's done. Then we go to the reconciliation phase. You can see reconcile children and blah 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 and complete, and there's nothing else. So yeah, and that's it. So it's done. But how when this ref is set, we in our code we attach to the input, right? When this ref, obviously, when how this input is recognized by React internals, when they found this ref, it will be set. So as I said, I've set up the wait a minute. Here proxy. As I said, I've already set up the SetRef. Let's find it. So where is it? SetRef here. Actually, you can see that it's in the commit layout effects. Interesting, right? It's in commit layout effects, so it's in commit phase. It's not in the rendering phase. Of course, because because rendering is just a creating fiber tree. It's not related to the DOM. Obviously, we need to attach to the find the DOM node created in commit phase. Okay, I'll make it short here. So this is commit, like commit root, and then blah blah blah. We go to what is it? We have this commit layout effect. This is just something we just met, right? Commit layout effect. This happened to be also where the commit layout effects, use layout effect is working. Cool. Okay, in this layout effects, we have this SetRef actually. SetRef here. Commit layout effects. So let's set a debugger here. And then we go to the commit attach ref. And then commit layout. Oh, yeah. Commit layout effects. Do you remember that the commit life cycles? This is where the commit layout effects is done, and then here it says if the effect the fiber has flag of ref, and we commit attach ref. So we check if this ref, and we attach this. Commit. Oh, this is commit attach ref. It will be checked with this. Okay, we can just omit. I wanted to add this check, but it's not very useful, I guess. Okay, so what's in this attach ref? It will actually see gets the ref, and then if ref is not now, we get the state node. State node is DOM node. It might be pointing to some other things for some abstract React component, but most of the time it's DOM node. And finish work tag host node, instant blah 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 function. We run a ref. If it's not a function, it's an object. When then we set the current. So yeah, we set the current to the DOM. So let's see the fiber, and this is fiber, and let's just draw a line here. And also we create a world called DOM. And DOM in a commit root phase, it's already created somewhere. Created DOM. This is the input. Let's see. Let's just put it here. Somehow. Okay, I create with the. I will admit the rendering phase for the input. It's trivial. You can find understood it by yourself. So this is the input element. And then in here actually, like the commit mutation effect, I think they will create the DOM. Okay, let's move this downward. Okay, create another one called commit mutation effects, I would say. Commit before mutation effects. Commit before mutation effects. There's no commit mutation effects. Commit, yeah, here. Wait a minute. There should be something there. Commit layout effects. Where's commit before mutation effects? It has, right? Mark root finished. Mark root started. Work in progress. Effect first. Prepare for commit. Commit before mutation effects. Yeah, commit to mutation effects here. I haven't added the log here, but you can refer to my other video. There will be some explanation there. So in these step is where the input, the DOM is created. Create DOM, and then let's fix the arrow. Let's fix the arrow here. It's a bit ugly, but nice. Okay, create a DOM. So now we actually need to connect these two, right? And that's what it's done as we discussed. It's done in this commit attach ref. So it will create this connection. This will update. So it's not now. So it will be this input. I would say not update, but set current. And you see that why we have this when we run this commit attach ref, there's a check about the flag of the node, right? There's a flags. So actually, I think I've already found where it's set. It's set flags. I would say set nope, ref somewhere. Okay, let me search it. I think I find it. So the flag should be some set like this. If we go to the work here, you can see MarkRef actually. Oh yeah, I think I find it MarkRef. Yeah, here. In the complete unit of work, we have this here, complete unit of work. When everything is done, in the rendering phase, we find that if there is a ref, we MarkRef. Where is MarkRef? Okay, let's just debug it. Okay, here. It's in this complete work. If work in progress ref, because we create this fiber, right? We have this ref, then MarkRef. When MarkRef, it will go to where? When MarkRef will go to here, you can see that sets the flags to ref. This is some bit mask, and then that's how we check the ref flag in the commit layout effect in the commit attach ref, right? So when it is used, we have these flags in the commit in the finished complete unit of work. Okay, let's say complete unit of work. Is that it? it's complete unit of work, and sets the flag. Okay, let's move this. Okay, just to put it here, set flag. My chart is a bit ugly, but please stick with it. Set flags ref, and then here we will check flags ref on Fiber. So that's it. That's done. That's how our refs work. But one thing we would check again is the update phase, right? So let's change our demo a little bit. Here we use an effect and we set the state, which means that the state will actually be changed to trigger the re-render, and in that time this useRef will be run again, and that and again means the update phase. It's not the mount phase. So let's see what happens. Okay, let's remove the debugger. Cool. Let's just okay, now open the console. Everything should be the same. You see, we create a new hook, use ref, and mount the ref, right? It's the same. Complete, we have MarkRef, and in our commit phase, we will set the ref. Yeah, this is the same. Everything is working well. And then because we have the scheduled callback to flush the passive effects, we run it, and we have this state change. So we actually has to set another task to perform concurrent with ground root. I've been more familiar with the React internals right now. Okay, it will run again because the state changed. Speaking of state, remember we've already covered this how this use state work for another video. It's much more complex than useRef, but please search on my channel for that. I'll come back to this chart a little bit after we finish with the React Ref. Yeah, and then render with this is the state, right? And then reducer, blah blah blah, and then we go to, I think there's somewhere useRef, right? This is the second time that useRef is used, but it should be UpdateRef. You see, this is UpdateRef is called now, so UpdateRef is called, but UpdateRef is very easy. It's simple. It's just to say, call this update work in progress hook, and then just to return the memo state. So let's debug it. Yeah, update. So let's see what's in update in it. It says get the next current hook, and yeah, we just get the next one. So you can think that this is actually just work next working is not now. We just current hook, next hook, clone from the current hook. Yeah. So as we explained, when the mount is called, we create a chain, right? Hook chain. And for this hook, this ref hook, we have this memo state of the ref object. But for UpdateRef, we just fetch this hook and return this ref. Return this ref. So we just find it just to return it, just to return this ref. Let's change the chart. Just to return this ref. So you can see that the next one, the order is very important, right? Every time we trigger some hooks, the React will just find the next hook. We use ref or use effect or use state. We'll just go to the next hook and check what is being changed. This is why this is a hook. This is a hook to each other, to the Fiber node, to next hook. That's why we should keep the order and the amount of hook persistence across different rendering. And yeah, I think we've already covered all of them. Nothing so special. Yeah. Just okay, quick wrap up. Again, when we run the use effect for the first time, we will call the MountRef, which means we'll create a new hook to the fiber node it targets, and then chain the hook up. And in that ref hook, we have this ref object, which has this current property, but it's pointed to nothing, to null right now. And during the commit phase, when we create a DOM node where we find the ref flag, we would attach the ref to the DOM node. Interesting, but how do I know that because this ref is to the fiber, but this DOM node is in a DOM. So how can I know which one to mark? Okay, this is interesting. I'll just set a debugger again, which is MarkRef, I would say. MarkRef here. Let's not MarkRef. It's what is called? SetRef. Set debugger attach. The instance to use, where does the instance to use come from? One instance to use, finished work tag, instance, state node. Finished work. What's this finished work? It's input. Finished work ref. Yeah, I'm sorry. This ref is here, but you see, actually, we have this fiber. This is not cool. I need to change to here, actually. Let's try to become a little crazy. This is a fiber. Let's change a little color. So this is fiber, and then this is the input fiber. Okay, this is input fiber. Let's just change to green, it's better. This is input fiber, and this is children, right? And because input has this ref, and we check the current, this is the ref, because ref equals ref, something like this, and then it was set to the input. So we actually checked the flags of input. It's not the app. We do something like this. Let's add an arrow here. Cool. And then the second time we fetched it, like the state change or any other things triggering the rendering, we would call the UpdateRef. And this ref, because the order of effects is promised by React internals, and this will fetch the right hook. I think I should not return this ref, but return this hook. Return ref of this hook. And then we get this ref object. Let's give it a color marked red. Awesome. So that's it. So, and also the ref flags is set in the complete of work. It's not app. I'm sorry. It's on the input. Yeah, this is it's a bit mistake. Cool. So that's it. I'm hoping that my video would help you understand better of React internals. I personally learned a lot through this video as well. The next time maybe I'm going to cover like strict mode or something. Anyway, there is still a lot of things to talk about React internals. Stay tuned, and yeah, bye bye.